Okay, so this new spreadsheet has been labeled the Rule of 72. It goes with the worksheet that we're doing today in class, and I wanted to talk about how to do this on a spreadsheet. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to highlight row number 1, go to view, go to freeze. I want to freeze one row. This basically makes it the title row, and whatever you put there, it will always be visible. So that as you scroll, all right, over here, let's put year. Over here, let's put percent. Let's click on the 1, and we're going to click on B for bold, so everything we put there is bold. Now, for the first problem, we're going to do 4, 6, 8, and 12%. So let's put that in here. I'm going to type percent. I'll show you why in a minute. 6%, 8%, 12%. Okay. So for year, let's go ahead and put year here. 0, because this is going to be our starting amount. Okay. Enter. And you notice that doesn't quite fit right. I'll highlight that cell, come over here, and this little symbol right here, text wrapping. Enter. So now it'll expand that automatically if we need to. I'll put a 1 here, so that here I can put equals this plus 1, plus 1. So as we pull this down, it's just going to tell us how many years we're at. Okay. And here, for the first problem, all the examples, we're going to start off with $1,000 and try and figure out how long it takes us to get to $2,000. All right, so we're just going to pull this right across, and that'll just give it $1,000. We didn't do equals or anything, so it's just duplicating whatever we put in here. So here, if I want this to gain 4% every year, I'm going to hit equals, do 1.04 for 4% multiplied by what's up here. All right, so let's just test this to pull this down once. And we can see this working. So let's actually hold down the control button as you click on each of these 3. And let's turn this into money to format it so it looks good. Okay. Oh, I think we have to go back up here and format these as 4%. Yep. Okay, so I should have waited to do that. Okay. So if you want to go and do all 3 of these across or do them one at a time, that's fine. But basically, now I'm just going to pull this down to figure out how long it takes to get to $2,000. And this one will take the longest. I guess it's going to take like 30 years. Okay, so right there, it says it would take 18 years to get to $2,000. That makes sense. All right, so let's try that again with 12% and see how long that takes. So it equals this times 1.12 for 112%. I'm going to drag this down. I bet this doesn't take anywhere near as long. So once I find it, might as well highlight it. so I can see it. Just like I'm going to highlight this one too. And then you can just record this